How to join on Roblox with someone with their join off. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in into your Roblox, and here you have to go into the search and you have to simply search for the person name that you want to add, and you have to go into this people sections. Now once you are in, you just have to select the player ID, and once you are in, as you can see that there is no option to join someone in their Roblox. So what you have to do is simply open up the new tab, and here you have to search for the Chrome Web Store. Now from here you just have to click on its extensions, and you have to go into the Chrome extensions. Now here you have to search for the extension in which you have to type row searcher. Now once you are in, you just have to click on it, and here you have to go into the row searcher, and here you have to add it in your Chrome. And after adding in your Chrome, you just have to add the extensions, and after that you have to go back to your Roblox, and here you have to refresh the page, and you are able to join anyone in their Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.